Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Mind. My name is Hassan Khurram and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach Tableau, a data visualization tool. So I have been producing a series of tutorial videos on marketing analytics. This is where we actually take a marketing case study and implement data science techniques with tools like Python and Tableau to come up with useful information in terms of charts, in terms of tabular form of data, in terms of diagrams like TreeMap that will ultimately help business to make informed decision and perform better. For today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how we can actually plot this stunning visualization of TreeMap with the help of Tableau. I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the data sets. After that, we will jump straight right to our workspace environment where I'll teach you how you can create this tabular chart from scratch. That being said, let's move on to data source so we can actually look at what kind of data we do have. So you see that our data set contains a number of columns. For example, we have customer ID, we have gender, we have date of birth, we have location and so on. The main column of our interest is marketing channel type, which contains the type of which represents a company effort through some marketing channel like organic search, direct, by which the customer was acquired. Okay, the customer was acquired through organic search, whether he was acquired through direct search and so on. Okay, and then we have our age column, which represents the age of the customer, and based on the age of the customer we are able to create an additional column which is called age group, which contains the segment or label for a specific customer based on what value we have in the age. For example, if we have a value of 19, it means that a customer lies in the age group of 0 to 20. If the customer has something age like 26, it still lies in the age of 21 to 30. But if the customer has an age of like 39, so he lies in the age group of 31 to 40. So we were able to do that with the help of SQL code, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So in order to create an age group where we create the segment based on the age group, we have actually created a calculated field, and this is the calculated field. And when you look at this date field, now you can see that this is a simple if and else statement in SQL programming language that formulates or that populates the value of this column age grouping with the help of identifying what's value is there in the age column. Okay, so it will assign these values accordingly. That being said, let's move on to new workspace environment where I will teach you how to create this stunning visualization from scratch. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take the marketing channel type dimension and throw it on column shelf. Once we done that, the next thing we are going to do, we will take the total profit and we will place it on rows shelf. Okay, so now we can see that we have bar chart but we actually want to plot a tree map. So we will go towards show me and then we will click on this tree map here. So once you create it, now you can see that our tree map has actually taken its initial form where the size of the rectangle or types of the section represents the amount of profit that was generated by this specific marketing channel. And you can say the same thing for paid search, organic search, affiliate and social marketing. Okay, but now in order to give meaning to our tree map, we have actually need to also show the total amount of profit that was generated by specific marketing channel. So what we are going to do, we will take total profit and then we will throw it on label. Now you can see that it is also showing us the total amount of profit that was generated by specific marketing channel type. Now in order to further segment this section, for example the direct section, we also want to segment it. We want to see it in direct marketing channel approach, what is the distribution of profit based on age grouping. So in order to do that, we will simply take this age grouping and we will place it on label. Now you can see that we have successfully created sections based on the age group. Now there is a one issue with this plot is that the value of total occurrences is occurring above the age group label. So we will simply just place it below it. Okay, so now right now it makes more sense. So we have like direct and we have like age range of 21 to 30. So by visualizing this plot or tree map, we can see that the direct marketing channel outperformed all marketing channels. And in direct marketing channel, the age group of 31 to 30 gave us the highest amount of profit as compared to age group of 0 to 20. That being said, there still need this graph still needs some minor improvement as well. So what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to increase the size of text as it's quite low and it's not visible to our customer audiences. So okay, so please keep that in mind. Whatever you are plotting, your plot must represent a story and it must be readable to your audiences or your stakeholder that you're currently presenting to. So we go towards label and we will go towards fonts, and then we will change its value to 12. Now it's more readable. We can also adjust its value to 14. It's up to you how you want to increase it. So I think 14 is quite great. Now the next thing we need to do, we actually need to change this value to currency because we do know that this total profit is in the form of currency. So in order to do that, we will simply go towards this capsule. We will click on drop down menu and we will click on format, and then we will go towards pane, and then we will change its value to currency, and we will use 0 decimal as a point, okay, to show the simple decimal numbers instead of floating numbers. So that's how you can actually plot a stunning visualization in case of marketing analytics using a marketing case study. And with the help of this plot, you can actually see that which customer segment is responding more to which marketing channel. Thank you for joining me, and I will catch you soon in the next video with upcoming tutorial videos on Tableau and carrying on a complete comprehensive data analysis case study in Tableau and Python as well. Thank you for joining me.